In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade with Storm bots. So we have the bots, we have the web. So I'm going to compare those two right now. But for now, since I'm using my PC, I'm going to use the web. So this is the Storm bot. You just have to connect your wallet. So after your wallet connection, you can click on trade, and it's going to click on start trading. So after you click on start trading, since you have connected your wallet, it can be your my Keeper wallet or my Thumb wallet. Okay, so if I haven't connect, it won't show any of these. Okay, if I haven't connect, it won't show any of these. So let me connect. I think I haven't connect, so I have to connect with my Telegram. So you have to use this one on mobile. Okay, but let us face the PC for now. So I'm going to click on web app, and I have my Keeper installed right here. Number one thing is I want to provide liquidity, and for you to be able to trade on this platform, you have to have USDT. Okay, you need to have USDT so you can swap your Thumb to USDT with immediate effect. So let us connect to my Thumb STG. So you can see now, as I've connected, as you can see, here's my money and here is others. So if you want to trade right here, this is my trade that I've opened before, and this is my long. This is the how much I made now in loss. Okay, so if I want to trade, I will just click on shorts. Okay, this is my short position. Now if I want to trade right now, I only want to trade like $1 of this. That means like 50% of what I have right here, and I'm trading on markets. I want to go what? I want to go short. Okay, just 50%. I want to go short. This one is already on long. I want to go short. I know the market is going to hit this place and then go back again. Okay, so I want to make sure my entry is right. So I can decide to just pick my entry right here and decided to go long, and when I get here, I just decided to sell. So let us do some gambling, and I'm going to select 20 XR. So I hope I don't get liquidated quickly. I'm going to select limited markets. So limited market is like I can set the price that when this price gets to so stage, it should click. So we have like 3.325. So let's go for 3.325. So I'm going to click on loss. You have none. Top profit, you have none. So let me select at 25%. So profit, stop loss when you get to 25%, and profit at 25%. So that is the amount of my gain. I'm going to click on limit shorts, and it's supposed to limit long. It's supposed to do that one on long. Sorry guys, supposed to do that one on long. So as you can see, this is what I said. When the price gets it's going to long, so I'm going to long the price for here. So since we are now in markets, let me just select my 50% when it loss, and take profit when is I'm going for. So take profit when you get to 7.6. So that will be almost like up here. So let me take like 7.4 will be okay for me. So that is first thing you can do on this. So the second one is how you can provide liquidity to make money on this. Okay, this platform. Let's provide the liquidity to make money on this platform. So we have, let's start with that one. Let us go to the second one, which is providing liquidity. So we have the vault right here. We have the bridge right here. If we want to bridge from another platform to the others, you can do this one. Okay, so we have the Ethereum network. You can bridge from this to another, like Ethereum blockchains, using from BNB Smart Chain to others chain. And we have the tournament right here. I think the trading tournament. We have this right here. So they say this is my place. And this is my place. Win an NFC by volume. I don't even have a volume yet. Though. So then the next thing is providing liquidity, which is this vault. Okay, providing liquidity. I provide a small liquidity right here, as you can see. Provide a small liquidity right here, and I want to provide this one. Okay, I want to provide this liquidity too, and the APR is 33.84, and a vault is a place that aggregate liquidity from all the markets, optional directly to staking protocol to optimize yield. Both allow liquidity provider to receive 70% of their protocol fee, acting as a counterpart to the traders. So you can read more about the vaults right here if you want to know about the vaults. Okay, so and that is it. So let us provide some small liquidity. Since I don't have enough USDT, I'm going to use my ton. So let us provide liquidity in ton. As you can see, when the trader profits and loss are off equally, liquidity provider are incentive to keep their deposits in the vault. As a reward, they will receive 70% of the trading fee, and difference from the raise and disbursed fund and the additional points reward every 24 hours, which means this points reward. Okay, and this ensures that liquidity provider can compensate for their contribution even when the market conditions are not ideal. If the trader lose and exceed their profit, in addition to fee income, funding and reward point, liquidity provider receive or negative. So you can hear that. When the profits, okay, liquidity provider to receive like income from the fee. Okay, it's like when the profit you are going to get money, and when they loss you are going to do that one. So I got it. Let us begin. So I'm on that one to buy right here. What is counterpart? So this is counterpart risk. So let me try it for just let me try by using this 5, or let me say 7. Let me go for 5 ton providing liquidity. So you can see this is how much it's going to worth. So I use 5. We call the contract for 5.35, and this is the fee. Let's go. Let's provide the liquidity. So when this platform wants to do an airdrop, I'm going to qualify because I'm providing liquidity for their website, and they are going to give me some points. I don't know when they are going to convert this, their staking points, that this is their points, to money, but I know I'm going to get that one. Okay, I know I'm going to get that one. So I'm having right here trading on the one, I'm providing liquidity. So you don't want to lose out on this. This is how you use this platform. So this platform is like let me say second to Binance. Okay, like you are trading futures, because this is a futures trading. This is a futures trading where you have the play the leverage, short and longs. Okay, and they have a vault where you can lock your money and use this referral link. So you won't have to use it again. So you can just get reducing your fee price. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you are watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on your notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.